Hey, so if you're stuck on assignments and need a study assistant, Claude can actually help you learn faster, understand topics, and organize your homework. In this guide, I'll show you how to use it the right way, step by step. First thing, type your question clearly. Don't just paste random text, explain what you need help with. Next, add your level. So tell Claude if you're in school, college, or just learning basics. All right, always ask for steps. I mean, step-by-step answers help you actually understand, not just copy. Now ask for simple language. This makes hard topics way easier to understand. Next, ask for examples. So examples help you see how the concept actually works in real life. All right, you can also use Claude to check your work. I mean, compare your answer and see where you made mistakes. And ask for summaries. Um, it's really useful for quick revision before exams. So that's how you use Claude AI for homework, help the right way. Once you use it like a tutor, it becomes way easier to learn anything.